Hello and welcome to all of you. I am Shivam Singh to teach you a computer applications. Hope you all are fit and fine. I welcome you all in this online classes. Today in this computer class you will study about computer system, CPU and its components. There are mainly three components of a CPU. 1. Memory unit (MU). 2. Arithmetic and logical unit (ALU). 3. Control unit (CU). Memory unit. The memory unit is the important storage of the computer. It stores both information and commands. The information and instructions also can be stored completely in this unit in order that they are available on every occasion required. The memory unit is linked with different parts of the computer and sends them the statistics when needed. Computer memory is classified into two categories. 1. Internal memory. 2. External memory. 1. Internal memory. Every computer has a certain quantity of memory, normally known as the principal memory. This is also referred to as internal memory or primary memory. Primary memory is an area in which statistics and packages are stored temporarily as long as they're being done. It is very fast and expensive but has limited storage potential. Internal memory is of two types: RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory, is a type of computer inner memory that may be accessed randomly. Something facts we enter into the computer goes into RAM and remains there so long as we are working on a software. It is an unstable memory as information and instructions are stored temporarily all through its processing only and misplaced all the time while the computer is switched off. Example: a blackboard is like a RAM that is constantly overwritten with the new data. The commonly used calculator is another example of RAM. Now the types of RAM. DRAM, dynamic random access memory. It stores facts quickly as the records is misplaced while the power deliver is suspended. It desires to be refreshed periodically so that you can hold records. This makes it slower than SRAM. SRAM, static random access memory. It is speedy and costly. It does no longer need to be refreshed, like DRAM, to hold data. It loses data when power is turned off. SDRAM, synchronous dynamic random access memory. It makes use of a synchronous interface to transmit big quantities of facts at high velocity. This improves the performance of a computer as statistics is added in a shorter length. DDR, double data rate memory. It's far majorly used in Intel Pentium 4 systems. It requires much less power and has a velocity that is double than that of ASDRAM. High-speed RAM like DDR2, DDR3, DDR4 are used with faster processors like i3, i5 and i7. ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It's far a form of memory from which records can most effectively be read, whereas in a RAM, information can be read from and additionally written to. It's miles a non-volatile memory because it stores data permanently. Data stored in ROM can neither be changed nor eliminated. The primary use of ROM is at some point of the booting system. It stores Bootstrap Loader program. That is the initial software used to start a computer when power became on. Example: an audio-video disc resembles a ROM. Once the songs are burned on a CD, the disc contents cannot be changed. Types of ROM. There are several ROM variants in which contents can be changed under certain circumstances. Following are the different types of ROM. PROM, programmable read-only memory. The contents can be programmed using a special tool referred to as PROM programmer. It's also known as OTP, one-time programmable ROM. Because of this, it can be programmed simplest once at the time of production and cannot be changed later. PROM affords a quicker and much less expensive technique for storing. EEPROM. Erasable programmable read-only memory. It can be erased and reprogrammed repeatedly with the assist of a specialized software program. The contents saved at the chip may be erased by exposing it to ultraviolet rays. Reprogramming gets rid of the complete content gift on the chip. This procedure can be accomplished frequently, but the steady erasing and rewriting will finally render the chip useless. It is now not possible to maintain the selective facts from ROM. EEPROM. Electronically erasable programmable read-only memory. The contents on the chip may be erased and reprogrammed in blocks as opposed to 1 byte at a time. It has the provision of selective removal. This means that we are able to erase the precise records byte by means of byte rather than erasing it completely. Flash memory. It smiles a selected type of EEPROM, which maintains the saved facts even without an energy supply. The contents may be erased and reprogrammed into large sections, making it quicker than the normal EEPROM. Flash reminiscence, being long-lasting, is majorly utilized in memory playing cards, mobile telephones, MP3 gamers, and so forth. Masked ROM. It smiles a memory that is manufactured with its contents. This chip includes a software masks. This is burned on the chip in the course of the design phase of semiconductor production manner. It's far used in the laptop systems that require long-term sustainability. Cache memory. Cache, pronounced as cache, memory is a special excessive speed memory that is additionally a sort of bodily memory that can both be inserted on a motherboard or made part of the CPU. The CPU makes use of cache memory to store instructions which are time and again required to run packages, improving the general device pace. The advantage of cache memory is that the CPU does now not must use the machine bus of motherboard for records transfer, and hence it makes the processing pace much faster. Cache is much more expensive than RAM, but it is nicely worth getting a CPU and motherboard with inbuilt cache memory so that you can maximize the device performance. 2. External memory. External memory is also referred to as auxiliary memory or secondary memory. It smiles wanted, due to the fact the primary memory is brief, high-priced, and inadequate to save a massive amount of facts. Whenever required, the facts for processing receives transferred from the secondary memory to the primary memory. Consequently, facts has to be saved one at a time in a secondary garage tool to make it permanent and accessible for a longer period of time. The rate of external memory is lots slower than that of the inner memory. Some typically used external storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, and many others. Units of memory. As there are extraordinary devices to gauge every aspect, irrespective of whether or not it is fluid, fabric, and fuel. In addition, a computer has a separate unit of measurement which are used for records storage. A computer information storage, regularly known as its memory, consists of a mechanism that is capable of report and hold virtual information. You already know that a CPU procedures the records as consistent with the commands given to it and then offers the final result. As an example, to multiply two numbers, let's consider 5 and 8, the CPU is given instructions and records truly like A equals 5 into 8. CPU then provides the result as 40. To preserve records and commands in the course of processing, a CPU needs to have a brief storage location. And once processing is completed, it desires an everlasting area to save the result. Here comes the role of memory. A memory unit is a fundamental storage of a computer. It's far the degree of facts that can be put away in the capacity unit. This storage capacity is expressed in phrases of bytes. Computer storage and memory is frequently measured in megabytes (MB) and gigabytes (GB). There are distinct gadgets for measuring computer data. ALU Mathematics Good Judgment Unit is the component of CPU, which performs the mathematics and logical operations on the operands. The mathematics operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and department. The good judgment operations are assessment operations, like more than, greater than, less than, smiley face, much less than, same to, and so on. The good judgment operations check diverse conditions that are encountered all through processing and allow for exclusive movements to be taken, based on effects. The records and the operands act as the enter for ALU and it generates the output as a result of computation. Control unit. This unit controls the operation of every other aspect of a computer gadget. It also controls the switch of facts and instructions among diverse units of a computer, which will execute the instructions. The additives of a laptop receive alerts from the manipulate unit. It extracts the instructions from memory, decodes them and sends the important alerts to ALU to perform the required operation. It's also called the important worried system of a computer device as it manages all different devices. Types of computers based on principle of operation. Computers come in an expansion of designs for distinctive purposes with exceptional capabilities and expenses. Primarily based at the precept of operation, there are three styles of computers. 1. Analog computers. Those computer systems can carry out numerous mathematical operations concurrently by manipulating and processing the records which we provide as enter, including weight, temperature, voltage, electricity and density. An analog machine works on continuous variables for the motive of mathematical computation. The end result given via these computer systems is only approximate because they deal with quantities that change continuously. We infrequently use any analog computer these days. 2. Digital computers. A digital computer works on the principle of binary digit gadget i.e., 0 and 1. Through counting, evaluating, and manipulating those digits, a digital computer can perform complex tasks and provide more correct and quicker consequences. For this reason, they have an growing use inside the discipline of layout, research, and facts processing. Digital computers are further classified as 1. Specific purpose computers, 2. General purpose computers. Specific purpose computer is the only this is used for unique software like ATMS, programmable washing machines, etc. General purpose computers are used for exceptional forms of applications. They could keep special applications and do the roles in step with the instructions certain on the one's applications. Maximum of the computer systems we see these days are preferred purpose computer systems. 3. Hybrid computers. Hybrid computer is a great mixture of the analog and digital computer. It accepts analog alerts, converts them to virtual and strategies them within the virtual form. They are used for medical packages or in controlling the industrial approaches. It generally has smaller memory than the merely virtual computer systems like computer. Types of computers based on configuration. Other than this general categorization, computer systems also can be differentiated on the basis in their physical structures and the motive of their use. Based on their ability, pace, and reliability, they can be divided into the following classes. 1. Microcomputers. Microcomputers are also known as personal computers or just PCs. These types of PCs utilize a chip. They cost less and are extremely little in size. The most well-known kind of PCs are the IBM PC and the Apple. While the IBM PC and IBM PC, Perfect PCs use Windows operating system, Apple PCs utilize the Macintosh operating system, Mac OS. The personal computers that we use in our school labs, workplaces, homes and so on are the best examples of microcomputers. Let us see some common microcomputers in daily use. Laptop computer. Laptop is a compact PC, which usually weighs 4 to 12 pounds depending upon the display size, equipment, and different elements. It is little in measure and can undoubtedly fit inside a folder case. A PC works on an exceptional battery and shouldn't be connected like a personal computer. These PCs are mostly utilized by business explorers. The screen creases down onto the console when not being used. As the name recommends, they can be utilized on our lap. A portion of the organizations which fabricate PCs are HP, Dell, Samsung, Lenovo, Sony, Apple, and so on. Notebook computer. It is a very lightweight PC. It weighs around 5 to 6 pounds and is littler in size than a PC. A scratch pad doesn't have a coordinated DVD drive like PC. It by and large has littler memory than a PC. Tablet PC. A tablet PC seems to be like a PC. The main distinction is that the tablet PC doesn't have a console. It has a touch screen which is utilized to compose legitimately on the screen as opposed to composing on a console. Some basic instances of tablet PCs are Apple iPad, Samsung Galaxy Tab, and so on. Handheld computer. The littlest PC is the handheld PC, likewise called a personal digital assistant or on the other hand PDA. It is utilized for booking arrangements, putting away locations, and messing around. PDAs are pen-based and furthermore battery-fueled. They utilize a pen-like pointer that acknowledges manually written information legitimately on a touch-delicate screen. Some normal models incorporate HTC P3470, A-Mate, Apple iPhone, Acer N series, and so on. Embedded system. It is a specific PC framework that is a piece of bigger frameworks or machines. For all intents and purposes, each electronic gadget which is structured and produced today has an implanted framework. Regularly, an implanted framework is set on a solitary microchip board with the projects put away in ROM. All the apparatuses that have an advanced interface, similar to watches, microwaves, VCRs, vehicles, and so on use the implanted frameworks. The implanted frameworks are pre-customized for a particular assignment and work on power, battery. They are accessible in a wide scope of sizes and force. 2. Mini computers. These PCs are greater in size, have higher handling speed, and are costlier than micro PCs. The abilities of mini PCs are superior to PCs. Small PCs are utilized in business, training, and numerous other government divisions. These PCs are for the most part intended to deal with various terminals, anyway some are additionally intended for single clients. Smaller than normal PCs are likewise utilized as web workers. The primary mini PC was presented in the mid-1960s by Digital Equipment Corporation (DEC). After this, IBM company likewise planned a progression of Mini S400 PCs. 3. Mainframe computers. These PCs are bigger than mini computers. A mainframe PC forms information at an extremely fast which is estimated in a great many guidelines for each second. These are over-the-top expensive PCs. Centralized server PCs are intended for numerous clients and procedure an immense measure of information rapidly. Banks, insurance agencies, producers, mail request organizations, and aircrafts are a portion of the regular mainframe clients. Centralized computer PCs are regularly utilized as workers, which control the systems of different PCs for huge organizations. A few instances of mainframe PCs are IBM S390 mainframe, which can bolster up to 50,000 clients all the while. Supercomputers. The biggest PCs are the super PCs. These are the most remarkable, the most costly and the quickest PCs on the planet and are equipped for preparing trillions of directions for every second. These PCs are utilized by the administration organizations, for example, the Internal Revenue Service (IRS), the National Weather Service, and the National Defense Agency. These are additionally utilized in space investigation, enormous associations, research labs, aviation focuses, and huge modern units. The instances of super PCs are CRAYA1, CRAYA2, Control Data Cyber 205, IBM Roadrunner, ETAA10, and so forth. Computer performance. It is significant that whatever processing gadget you use, works in a proficient way and is quick. A couple of things which influence the general execution of a PC are recorded beneath: CPU speed. CPU speed, really the CPU clock speed, is estimated in Hz. It is additionally called the clock rate. This speed is a proportion of what number of clock cycles a CPU can perform every second. For instance, a CPU with a clock speed of 2 GHz can perform 2 billion clock cycles for every second. The higher speed implies quicker errand execution of a CPU, like complex figurings or moving information from N to the RAM. RAM. In the event that the measure of RAM is sufficiently huge to hold data in it, this may bring about quicker execution. Quicker CPUs mean better execution. Complex, overwhelming execution, high-utility frameworks and gaming frameworks need enormous RAMs. In the event that RAM isn't sufficiently huge, the speed of the PC hinders quickly. Hard disk. The size and speed of hard circle is additionally urgent for a figuring gadget. The quicker is the speed, better will be the general execution. An overview of communication technologies. In this digital time, there are such a large number of advances which help us to in a split second send messages, text, voice, video, to anybody and any place on the planet. The absolute generally well known and broadly utilized correspondence innovations are email. In the present correspondence period, email, electronic mail, has ended up being the greatest resource in sending and getting sends right away. It permits us to speak with individuals around the globe at whenever and any place. Email is a prudent method of correspondence. A similar message can be sent to numerous people at the same time, with no expense. You can likewise send connections, for example, pictures, tunes, recordings and so forth, alongside an email. Text messaging. Prominently known as Short Message Service (SMS) or messaging, it is a snappy and advantageous approach to send short messages on cell phones. Instant messages are restricted to 160 characters for every message. Utilizing advanced mobile phones, we can even send picture and video messages, alluded to as MMS, Multimedia Messaging Service. Chat. A talk is an online discussion where we can right away send messages to and from to individuals over the globe. It gives a vibe of a genuine spoken discussion. The main distinction is that you banter while composing as opposed to talking. We have different kinds of visits accessible on the internet. Visits can be either highlight point, where just a single beneficiary gets the message, or it very well may be a gathering correspondence. Video conferencing. It includes the utilization of camcorders associated with at least 2 PCs. Pictures and sound are then sent through the web, where clients hear each other as well as have a face-to-face discussion. This innovation is basically utilized for virtual gatherings among a gathering of individuals to examine political, business, clinical, or parties. We for the most part watch on the news channels, the live instances of video conferencing where stays over the globe do video conferencing to give live news to the watchers. It has additionally ended up being an aid in separation learning. Blogs. blog originates from weblog on the grounds that a blog comprises of a marked and dated log of individual postings. A blog is a simple-to-make site that permits the clients to impart their contemplation to the world. The subject of the blog can be anything from individual to proficient. Blogging can be an intelligent movement. Users can add remarks to the blogger's postings and different people can react to it. Recently, bloggers have become notable pundits on the political scene. However, blogging can include any theme or no subject whatsoever. WordPress and Blogger are the most well-known blogging locales on internet. Microblogging alludes to a particular type of blogging used to post and offer short messages, pictures, or video joins. The substance being shared on a microblogging website is very little when contrasted with a blog. Twitter is the most mainstream microblogging website. Wikis. A wiki is a simple-to-utilize communicant site on which the clients can share or adjust the substance straightforwardly from the internet browser. When contrasted with a blog, the substance in wiki is regularly made with no characterized proprietor. Wikipedia online reference book is the most well-known wiki-based site and is one of the most generally sought website on the planet.